In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Webull cash voucher. This is a straightforward process, but if you're new to the platform, it might seem a bit daunting. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. First, you'll want to open up your Webull application. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. It might be your picture or just a default avatar, depending on whether you've customized it yet. Go ahead and click on this icon. Now, after clicking your profile icon, a menu will drop down. From this menu, you need to select the Promotion Center. The Promotion Center is where Webull keeps track of all the special offers and promotions available to you. It's a good idea to check back here often, as Webull frequently updates these promotions with new and exciting offers. Once you've entered the Promotion Center, you should see an option labeled My Free Stock. This is where you'll be able to view the details related to your cash voucher. Click on View to get more information. At this point, you'll be able to see any free stock or cash vouchers that are available for you to redeem. If you have a cash voucher, there should be a clear option to redeem it. Simply click on that option and follow any additional prompts that might pop up. It's worth mentioning that sometimes there may be terms and conditions associated with redeeming these vouchers, such as needing to deposit a certain amount of money into your account or maintaining a minimum balance. Be sure to read through these carefully so you know exactly what's required to fully benefit from your voucher. And that's it! You've successfully redeemed your Webull cash voucher. It's a great way to make the most of what Webull has to offer, and it can provide a nice little boost to your investing journey. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating the world of investing. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!